Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Let's look at how we can add people into WhatsApp group from Facebook ads. So many people get this error whenever they try to use their WhatsApp link on a Facebook ads. So when they are trying to run ads and they put their WhatsApp link on the ad set level, it keeps coming up with an error that you need to use the WhatsApp messaging option. The question is, what is the solution? Are you not supposed to run ads to your WhatsApp group? Is Facebook not allowing you to be able to run ads to your WhatsApp group? So how do you end up running ads to your WhatsApp group, getting people to join your WhatsApp group without any hassle? In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the practical guides necessary for you to be able to start running Facebook ads and start adding people into your into your WhatsApp group without any issue. My name is Ezekiel, and let's move into the video in full. Now, I'll be walking you through different methods that are possible. Some of these methods I'm going to be sharing in this video, I charge to share them with clients. So I'm going to be walking you through the different possible options that you can use to get the best of results and to make sure that you can do what you can add people to your WhatsApp group. So, and why do you want to add people to your WhatsApp group? Most people do that because they prefer to advertise their product on WhatsApp group, on their WhatsApp channel, and then they can have a one-on-one interaction. If the person is really interested, they can come to the DM after they have advertised the product on the WhatsApp group. So some WhatsApp group works for some people depending on the kind of product they sell, right? So why should you be hindered from being able to maximize this option if you can get traffic through Facebook ads to get people into your WhatsApp group, right? So how do we start doing this? This is very simple. The first step I walked you through. I remember when I created my first video on YouTube about adding people to WhatsApp group. One of the first things I thought is how you can end up adding people to your WhatsApp group by shortening the URL of the WhatsApp group. So if you have a WhatsApp group link, I told you how to shorten it. You just go to bit.ly. Once you get to bit.ly, you will be able to shorten the URL bit.ly or any URL shortener. I showed you how you can use any URL shortener to shorten it. But we noticed that option was no longer working because Facebook started detecting that option and they seem not to allow that option to fly. I don't know the reason why, but whatever the case is, we now move to the second option where I walked you through how you can start using a website. Website is very important because it allows you, it's more like an intermediary, and this is one of the first things I'll be sharing in this video. So in this second option, which is one of the major things I'll be sharing in this video, and this option is for those who have a website. So if you have a website, this option will work for you seamlessly, and I'm going to walk you through how you can walk through this process to be able to create to be able to add people to your WhatsApp group without any issue. So this is the first thing you're going to be doing. Now let me go to my board and show you what I'm trying to say. So let's look at it now. So this is the flow you are going to go with so that you'll be able to add your WhatsApp group link. Now the first thing you're going to be doing is that, so this is your Facebook ads, right? So this is your Facebook ads that you have setting up, right? So in your Facebook ads, what you are going to be having in the URL is going to be your landing page link. Your landing page link is what is going to be on the Facebook account, right? So on the landing page now, you are going to be having the group link to your group, the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp channel, whatever the stuff is. You are going to be adding them. So your landing page is the intermediary between Facebook, right, and your WhatsApp group link, right? So you'll be able to, in this method, you'll be able to generate. So what will happen is that once people click on your link, they are not going to be clicking on your on the WhatsApp group link directly. So they're going to a landing page. Now listen to me, the landing page needs to be as simple as possible. Now I used to offer this as a service, right? So the landing page needs to be as simple as possible. All you need to do is tell them the essence of the WhatsApp group. What are you doing on the WhatsApp group? Why do you want them to join? Okay, you'll be getting so thing if you join the WhatsApp group. I'll be giving you 10% discount if you join the WhatsApp. So you need to create an offer because you are generating leads, and there has to be a magnet to bring them in. So there must be an offer you are giving to them that will make them want to join the WhatsApp group, right? So that will be what will be contained on the landing page. So once you insert that on the landing page and they think it is worth their time, they will click on the link that is in the landing page, and then they will be added to the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp whatever the case is, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp channel. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So it is quite easy and straightforward to do this particular method. It's quite easy and straightforward. So this is the first method, and it works. It makes it easier. So you can imagine when you want to run your ad and you come to your account and you want to run an ad, and you just say, so in this kind of ad, our advice you always go for, since you have a website, lead generation. Since you have a website, you can use lead generation, so you'll be able to manage the number of leads that are coming, right? So if you are using lead generation, the option of instant form, the option of messenger ad conversion. So this is a conversion ad you are more or less running, so you'll be able to know the amount of people that are coming. So you use the manual lead campaign option and click on continue. Once you do that, it will load up a page where you'll be able to set up the ad. So I believe you know what to do on this particular page. Here you just leave everything here and name the campaign. Always name your campaign test lead WhatsApp ads, right? So always name your campaign. Once you name your campaign, there's nothing more to fill here. Go to the ad set level, click on next. Once you do that, you can also name your ad set. If you want to have multiple ad set, right? If you want to have multiple ad set, you can name your ad set. So the first thing I'll be doing is this. You come to website. So the conversion option, since you are running a lead conversion campaign strategy, you'll be selecting website as the option, not instant form. Do you understand? So that's the second method I'm teaching you now. Instant website, not messenger. So you select website, and when you come to website, you would come here and select maximum. So you see that there are two options. It's not even activating the option for maximum value of conversion. It's only activating the we'll try to show you, that's the to maximize number of conversion, which is actually what you are interested in. You want them to maximize the number of conversion you get, right? So you select the pixel you have set up, right? So there's how you set up pixel. So if you don't know how to set up pixel, you don't have pixel on your website, so that I'll be able to create a conversion campaign that would be very productive. You can reach out to me to do that for you. So before you set out a pixel, there's some form of automation you are going to be doing on the website for the pixels to be set up, and after the pixels have been set up, you must be able to create what is called the lead generation on that particular page that you are trying to promote, right? So you must be able to create an event on that page. That event is what we trigger whenever someone carries out that particular operation that trigger is meant to activate. I believe you understand. So that way it will now record it as a lead, or as whatever the case is, that whatever case the event is on the website. I don't know if you get me, and if I'm not just blabbing, right? So I hope you get the point. So you must make sure the pixel is set up, and when you set up this pixel, you must also select the exact conversion event. Now the conversion event for this is that you want to generate leads, right? If it's leads you want to generate, you select lead as conversion, right? So once that is done, the duration, the click-through rate, it depends on whatever you want. There's nothing much to do here, so you can skip all this part, right, and come down to the budget. Set up your budget. Make sure your budget is good enough for you to be able to generate lead, because this is a conversion ad. Conversion campaigns are more expensive than other objectives, right? Conversion campaigns are more expensive. Set up your if you want to schedule it, schedule the ads, and I think that's all you need to do here. You can for the purpose of this particular training, I'll be advising you go for an advantage placement. Let Facebook do the work for you, right? I'll be sharing somewhere in this video how you can make sure Facebook do the rest of the work for you, so you don't have to stretch yourself. But if you think you have some tested audience you have made use of in the past, you can do well to switch to the original audience option, so that you'll be able to select those audience that you have, right? So let's move on to the next part. Now once you do that, the next thing I'll be showing you here in this video is what you need to do next is by using the new by what's it called now, the ad level. In the ad level, you all want to do in the ad level, you want to select the Facebook page that you want to use to run the ad, the Instagram ad account, and once you do that, then the URL that you want to use. So you select the URL you want to use. So let's say www.brando.com. Let's just use something like this. So it is the website I want to promote, right? So I can preview the website and be sure that the website is actually correct. And don't worry, this particular is going to be giving me some error, right? Let me show you some. Let me use a website. So once the pages are selected, the next thing you want to do is to determine the kind of ad you want to use for this purpose, right? You can decide to use an existing post or use a Creative Hub mockup. So let's create a new ad for this, right? And when creating a new ad, you can decide to select a single image or carousel, depending on the kind of product you are trying to promote. It will really determine. But meanwhile, I would advise you to use a single image, because all you're trying to do is to be able to direct people to the ad. Don't mind all the errors, because I've not been able to upload images, right? So that's why you're having those errors pop up. So let's delete what you have as the ad creative here and see if we can select a particular image here. So I'm just trying to set this up so that you'll be able to understand what we're trying to do here. So let's see if we have an image that is usable. Let's use this. Okay, let's use this image. It looks okay. So let's adjust it to all the necessary aspects, original and 1-to-1. Okay, this should go through, and click on done, right? So once the crop is completed, you can click on done to finalize the process. Also make sure you optimize the ad so that you can get the best of results, right? So then you click on done once that ad is optimized, right? So once that is completed, don't mind the way the ad looks like. Don't forget, we are just trying to give you an example. So make sure the primary ad is very good. The primary ad is the major content, and the headline as well is very intact. Then here's my point of concern. This is where you are going to be inserting the URL. All right, you saw the URL we inserted, right? This is where the URL is going to be. So once you put the URL here, this is where they'll be landing on, and the URL page should be a page that will allow them to be able to, or redirect them now to the WhatsApp group. I believe that is clear. So the final option I'm going to be sharing with you is this. So instead of using the campaign or the lead objective now, and this is because you don't have a website, you might want to go for the engagement objective. And when you choose and select engagement, what you want to do here is that you want to redirect them to your WhatsApp. Hold up. Now the essence why you are doing this is because you want to be able to use what is called the WhatsApp Autoresponder to drop your WhatsApp group link. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So this is what I'm trying to say. Once you redirect them to the WhatsApp group, to your WhatsApp direct, WhatsApp DM. So what you'll be selecting in the engagement here, in the ad set level, will be your messaging app will be WhatsApp. So you want them to send you a message on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp will be the major app that will be selected here. Once you do that, then you go ahead and in this particular place, you select your chat and set up the ad properly. And all you need to do is simple. Allow them to reach out to you, right? There's an autoresponder. I'll be showing a video somewhere here how to set up your autoresponder on WhatsApp, so that once anybody that is sending you a message for the first time, we get an auto response. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So there's a setting for that. So I'll be sharing the video somewhere here. Once they send you a message, they will get an auto response, and the auto response will be an automatic delivery. So you'd have composed the message where, oh, you're welcome to my WhatsApp group. We are welcome to my to my account, and blah 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 blah. I sell this for 10% discount. Click the link below to join the WhatsApp group. So immediately they get the link, they will click on the WhatsApp link and they will be redirected to your WhatsApp group. Now the advantage of this last method is that they are already on your contact list, and they are also going to be on your WhatsApp group. You win two-way, right? So I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has been helpful, kindly make sure you smash the subscription button, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll also see you in other videos. My name is Akimbola Ezike. I want to get your review on these different 3 methods I've shared with you. The first method is using shortener, which is no longer working. The second method is how to use URL, and the third one is using your WhatsApp actually to add people to your WhatsApp group. Thank you, and you're welcome.